You're watching Channel 4. We're sorry for interrupting our normal programming, but we have some information to share with you regarding an ongoing emergency. Please listen carefully. This is an important broadcast from Channel 4 on behalf of the Met Office. Please listen closely to the instructions provided, as they are extremely important. We are receiving reports from the Met Office of a tornado inbound to the United Kingdom and the Republic of Ireland. This tornado is a 2 on the Enhanced Fujita scale, or EF scale. This means roofs can be torn off well-constructed homes, foundations of frame homes shifted, and mobile homes destroyed. The tornado is heading in an easterly direction towards the Republic of Ireland and is expected to make landfall on parts of northern Wales and northwest England at a speed of 120 miles per hour. Official instructions from the Met Office advises the citizens in the affected areas to take shelter at home, preferably inside a basement. If you do not have one, use the lowest and innermost room of your home, preferably without windows. Bring essential provisions such as food, water, a first aid kit, clothing and torches should the power go out. Bring a battery-powered radio should television services be forced offline. Our Prime Minister has been informed of the situation at hand and is expected to make a statement later today. This is a truly disastrous moment for the United Kingdom and the Republic of Ireland, and we should stand together as nations to overcome this threat. We send our deepest thoughts and prayers to those who will be affected by this incident. There is currently no more information to bring you at this moment, but we advise you to stay tuned to Channel 4 for the latest updates on this situation. Please stand by for further information. This is an important update from Channel 4 on the incoming tornado. The tornado has just struck the eastern coast of the Republic of Ireland. Galway and other surrounding cities have been affected, and the tornado is expected to travel further eastwards and strike Dublin before heading to northern Wales and northwest England. The extent of the damage is not yet known, nor the number of deaths, but both parameters are expected to have reached high levels. Meanwhile, we still urge everyone in the affected areas to follow the instructions provided earlier to ensure their safety and well-being. Stockpile on food, water, a first aid kit, clothing and torches should the power go out. Also, bring a battery-powered radio should television services be forced offline. Head down to the lowest and innermost room in your home, preferably without windows. If a basement is accessible, it is preferable to shelter there. Once again, we will remain on the air. Please stand by for further information. This is an important update from Channel 4 on the incoming tornado. The tornado has just struck the western coast of the Republic of Ireland, as well as northwest Wales. Dublin has been struck, as well as the city of Holyhead and various other surrounding areas. The tornado is expected to reach northern England in just a few moments. Once again, death tolls and damage levels are unknown, yet believed to be high. Please follow our instructions. Stock up on supplies, take shelter immediately, and please stay tuned for further updates. This is an important update from Channel 4 on the incoming tornado. The tornado has just struck the northern England. Liverpool was struck first, and the tornado slowly made its way through Manchester and Sheffield and left the UK at Grimsby. Death tolls and the extent of the damage are still unknown, but are soon to be made public. This now means that the immediate danger is over, but there are still many other dangers, such as sharp debris and possible fires. This has truly been a disastrous moment for Ireland and the UK, and we must stand together as nations, united during these trying times. Our hearts go out to all citizens of these countries who have been affected. Emergency services are on the scene and are reporting to the trapped and injured. They are trying their best to help everyone affected. This emergency broadcast will now end, and we will transfer over to Channel 4 News for more. We at Channel 4 thank you for your attention and pray that you are safe and well.